Today we are at Castlepoint, which is a very popular location on the east coast of the North Island of New Zealand. And Castlepoint is a place where people come for a holiday, to play on the beach, to enjoy the walks and to enjoy the views. Just south of the reef is a very high hill called Motutere, or Castle Rock, and this provides amazing views of the area and along the coastline. Motutere is a special place because it's the site of an ancient pa, or fortified settlement. So this whole area looks very spectacular. We can see that it is made of quite a hard rock, yellow-coloured limestone, but when we look up close, we see that the rocks are almost entirely made up of fossilised shells or fragments of shells, and there must be in total billions and billions of them which make up this rock. It's the most extraordinary geology to look at. These fossils are 2.2 million years old, and they've been sort of locked up in the earth and only recently exposed by erosion, having spent all of that time in the dark and in the depths. And now they're here for us to admire like this. One thing to remember is this is a scientifically significant area, and we're not going to be taking any of this material away. We just admire it, take photographs, and leave everything in situ for other people to come and enjoy. And so it seems from the evidence of these shells that these rocks were once upon a time laid down several hundred meters deep in the ocean in quite a steep canyon. And the interesting thing about the fossils here is that some of them lived in quite deep water, but some of them represent very shallow water species, and they're all mixed up together. So that was a mystery for quite some time for geologists, until they worked out that what had happened was the shallow water shells were occasionally being washed down and tumbling down into the canyon and mixing up with the deeper water species, which is why they're now all jumbled together. You can see in some of these cliffs how the rock beds are quite contorted, and that shows us that they've slumped and kind of moved after they were deposited into layers, and the layers have now been a bit twisted as they rolled down into the canyon to sort of settle down in deeper water.